Pre-K friends, welcome back to Craft Time with Miss Tina and Miss Joyce. We've been talking about trees, who lives in trees, food that comes from trees. Today we're going to make a pine cone bird feeder. And pine cones come from the
conifer tree. Do you remember? Those are the trees that don't have leaves. They have needles and they stay green all year long. So we went and collected some pine cones, and you have some of our pine cones that we collected. And this is how we're going to make our bird feeder. We need a pine cone. We need the peanut butter that we sent you. And friends, if you are allergic to peanut butter, you can use sun butter. That's an alternative to peanut butter, but it works just as well. And we took a stick, but you can use a spoon. And we have our bird seed, and I'm going to pour some out on Miss Joyce's paper. Watch. You might want to get an adult to help you.
So a paper plate, a plate, a cookie sheet. Moms and dads might keep this bird seed a little more contained as your little ones are working.
There we go.
So this is going to be our spreader.
Wow. Open it up.
Take a big scoop and just start spreading.
Now, boys and girls, peanut butter is like the glue. You know how you use your glue stick to glue things onto your paper? Our peanut butter is so sticky, it will make the bird seed stick to the pine cone. And birds like peanut butter. And birds like bird seed. So they will enjoy this treat. Ooh, spreading is kind of fun. I took a lot on.
Yeah.
If I'm lucky, I'll get some peanut butter on my fingers. I'm gonna lick it off.
Friends, it's important to get the birds some extra food during the winter because the bugs are hibernating and it's harder for the birds to find food. And they need that food for energy to survive the cold winter.
I have a bird feeder outside my window. And in the winter, I put bird seed in it all the time. And I love watching the birds come and peck the bird seed out of the feeder. Sometimes, friends, I even have squirrels climbing on that bird feeder. Do you remember the funny pictures of the squirrels we looked at? Here we go. I think I'm done.
And my peanut butter's gone. I used all mine.
Okay. This is really fun. Now we get to roll it. Oh, this reminds me of glitter.
Oh, Miss Tina loves glitter.
See, so we're going to take it and roll it in. And just like I said, boys and girls, the bird seed sticks to the peanut butter.
So friends, when you're all done, you can have your moms and dads get you a plate or something to sit it on and sit it outside. Or prior to putting on your peanut butter, have mom or dad put a string to hang it up in the tree. Whichever you have will work.
I'm going to get a string and I'm going to hang mine outside, and Miss Joyce will hang hers outside, and we'll send a picture of what it looks like so you can see. Oh, I think my birds are going to love this.
Hopefully we get a picture of a bird eating it, Miss Tina.
Oh, wouldn't that be great? Ooh.
I'm excited.
Ooh. Alrighty. Okay. Almost makes me wish I was a bird.
Okay, friends, have fun.
Boy, I made a mess.
We did good.